Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This process is straightforward, but having the right items makes it even easier. Always refer to your owner's manual for any model-specific details. Let's get started with opening the fob carefully. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to damage the internal components or the casing itself during this step. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Press it gently to ensure it's securely in place. With the new battery in, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a click. This ensures it's securely closed. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm it's working properly. You should now have a fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.